Well, what do we have in store?
It's THX HDMI interconnects.
As everybody knows, I've been following THX since 1 year before its release date in the United States. I have also been a THX certified professional since about 30 years ago and have taken 2 more refresher courses for THX certified professional. And almost a decade ago, I was introduced to this brand, Pixelgen, a Canadian HDMI cable company. Since then, I've been using hundreds and hundreds of their cables with literal 100% success rate. This is something that I never encountered with any other brand that I've used so far. Regardless how cheap or expensive they are, I have encountered at least a handful of defects since the introduction of HDMI. And in terms of high-end or commercial install, this is simply unacceptable. Imagine my ear-to-ear smile when I read the news that THX and Pixelgen are joined forces. They both combine their manufacturing and technical prowess together, creating THX branded HDMI cable. Is this a snake oil? Definitely not. They never claim that their cables will make the picture look better. They never claim that the audio will sound better either. Their only claim is that their cable will pass through 100% of the HDMI signal 100% of the time. So there's no silver or gold or platinum or any other exotic materials claiming to do magical stuff. And as a professional reviewer, professional designer, and professional installer for the past 25 years, I do welcome such a product where the quality and reliability are guaranteed and I'd never have to waste my time second guessing the cables or having the need to return or exchange a cable. Imagine the hassle and annoyance of pulling a new cable because the cable died after a year or two. So what do you think about this THX branded cable? Share your thoughts in the comments down below and don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so that next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.